In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email campaigns in Hubspot. We'll walk through the full process from inside your Hubspot account, so you can follow along on your own screen. The goal is to help you confidently build and send a professional email campaign, whether it's a one-time newsletter or part of an automated workflow. First, start on your main HubSpot dashboard. In the top navigation, look for the Marketing section. Hover over or click on Marketing, then choose Email from the dropdown. This takes you into the email tool, where all of your past and future email campaigns live. Next, you'll create a new email. Look for the button labeled Create Email and click it. HubSpot will now ask what kind of email you want. Choose Regular if you're sending a one-time blast, like a newsletter or announcement. Choose Automated if you plan to trigger this email from a workflow, such as a welcome series or a follow-up after someone fills out a form. Pick the one that matches your goal for this campaign. Once you've chosen your email type, you'll see a gallery of templates. These are pre-designed layouts that control how your email looks. Select a template that fits your content style, then click to move into the editor, where you'll start editing the content. Here, you can change text, swap images, update buttons, and adjust the layout. Take a moment to customize the subject line and preview text as well, because these are critical for getting opens. Use clear, concise language and make sure your message is easy to scan. After you're happy with the design and content, move to the Settings tab at the top of the editor. In Settings, find the Campaign dropdown. This is where you associate your email with a specific HubSpot campaign or create a new one. Connecting your email to a campaign helps you track performance across multiple assets like emails, landing pages, and forms. Select an existing campaign if you already have one, or create a new campaign name that clearly reflects the purpose of this email. Now switch over to the Send or Schedule tab. Here you'll choose who will receive this email. Select the appropriate segment or list from your contacts. Make sure the list is clean and relevant to the message you're sending. You can also decide whether to send immediately or schedule it for a future date and time, which is helpful if you want to target a specific time zone or plan campaigns in advance. Finally, go to the Review and Send step. HubSpot will show you a summary of your email settings, recipients, subject line, and send time. Carefully double-check everything here. Look for typos, confirm the right list is selected, and use the preview options to see how your email appears on desktop and mobile. Once everything looks correct, you're ready to send or schedule your email campaign. And that's the complete process for creating an email campaign in HubSpot, from getting into the email tool to designing, targeting, and sending your message.